Here's a quick tutorial on how to remove suggested on Messenger. First, you'll want to open your Messenger app. Click this icon at the top left part of your screen. Tap the settings icon. Scroll down and you'll see the phone contacts. You'll want to turn off the upload contacts. To turn it off, click the upload contacts and tap turn off. Go back to phone contacts. Tap the manage contacts. Tap the delete all contacts. The suggested people are now removed from your Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you were able to remove suggested on Messenger without any problems. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask.